Hello friends, myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the topic concept of health, that is indicators of health from health education and community pharmacy. So concept of health, that is indicators of health. The topics to be covered are as follows: definition of health, then the indicators of health, World Health Organization gives define of health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity, and the ability to lead a socially and economically productive life. Indicators of health, a variable which helps to measure the changes, that is directly or indirectly. World Health Organization 1981, a statistic of direct normative interest which facilitates the concise, comprehensive and balanced judgments about conditions of major aspects of the society. HEW, that is by United States of America 1969. The health indicators are defined as those variables which measures the health status of an individual and community. Indicators of health, these are the guidelines which indicate the health status of country uses to measure the health status of a country, to compare the health status of one country to another country, to assess the healthcare needs, to plan and implement the healthcare services, to evaluate the healthcare services. Mortality indicators, morbidity, disability rate, nutritional status, healthcare delivery indicators, indicator of social and mental health, utilization rates, health policy, indicators of quality of life, environmental indicators, other indicators. Indicators of health are mortality indicators: crude death rate, life expectancy, infant mortality rate, child mortality rate, under the 5 mortality rate, the maternal mortality rate, disease specific mortality, proportional mortality rate, etc. And morbidity indicators: incidence and prevalence rate, disease notification rate, OPD, outpatient department attendance rate, admission, readmission and discharge rate, duration of stay in hospital and spells of sickness or absence of work from or school. Mortality indicators are CDR, IMR, MMR, CMR. Let's see all these 4 in brief. Crude death rate, that is CDR, number of deaths per 1000 population per year in a given year. Infant mortality rate, IMR, number of deaths of infant per 1000 live births during given year or population or per country. It's most important indicator of health because it reflects not only the quality of material and child, maternal and child services, but also the availability and utilization of the services. The maternal mortality rate, it's about the deaths during the antenatal, natal and postnatal. The child mortality rate, number of the deaths of the children between the 1 to 4 years during a given year per 1000 mid-year population of that age group. This excludes infant mortality rate. Morbidity indicators, these reveal the burden of the disease in the community, thus these are the used to supplement the mortality rates. The following morbidity rates are used for assessing the health status: incidence rate, notification rate, outpatient attendance, that is OPD attendance rate, hospital admission and discharge rate, and duration of stay in the hospital. Incidence rate, its number of new case of particular disease occurring per 1000 population per year. Prevalence rate, total number of both old and the new cases existing in the population during a given period or the times its percent of the population suffering from disease. Disability rate, percent of the population unable to perform the routine expected daily activities due to the injury or illness. Nutritional status indicators, incidence of the low birth rate, weight and the height standards of the children up to 5 years. Then utilization rate, it is the proportion of the people actually utilizing the healthcare services in a given population during a given year. X% of the infants fully immunized. Indicators of the social and the mental health, these include the rates of the crimes that are assault, murder, these suicides, the homicides, accidents. These indicators provides a guide to implement social action for improving the social and the mental health of the people. Indicators of health, disability indicators. Sullivan's index, health, that is health adjusted life expectancy. DALY means disability adjusted life year. Sullivan's index is the expectation of the free from disability. Health means it is the equivalent number of the years in the full health that a newborn can expected to live based on the current rates of the ill health and mortality. The DALY, that is express the years of the life lost to premature deaths and years lived with the disability adjusted for the severity of the disability. Indicators of health, that is nutritional status indicators, anthropometric measurement of the preschool children, prevalence of the low birth weight, etc. Healthcare delivery indicators, the doctor population ratio, bed nurse ratio, population bed ratio, population per health facility, etc. Utilization rates, that is immunization coverage, ANC coverage, percent of hospital delivery, contraceptives, prevalence rate, bed occupancy rate, average length of stay in hospital and bed turnover rate, etc. Indicators of health, in that the indicators of social and mental health, the rates of the suicides, homicides, violence, crimes, RTAs, drug abuse, smoking and alcohol consumption, etc. Environmental indicators, proportion of the population having the access to safe drinking water and improve the sanitation facility, level of air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, etc. Socio-economic indicator, rate of the population increase per capita, GNP, dependency ratio, level of the unemployment, literacy rate, family size, etc. Then health policy indicators, proportion of GNP spent on the health services, proportion of the GNP spent on the health related activities including the safe water supply, sanitation, housing, nutrition, etc. and proportion of the total health resources devoted to the primary healthcare. Indicators of quality of life, PQLI, IMR, literacy rate, life expectancy at age 1, etc. So the concept of health, indicators of health, the learning outcomes are: what is health and the indicators of health. Thank you.